Good morning everyone, welcome back on the job, on my way into work today, and lovely weather today. Started raining, so we've had good weather this week, but you know, this is what it's like in London. Today decided to rain, very cloudy skies, but you know, obviously we're inside, so we're good today. Just a couple of things. I haven't forgotten you guys, I've been so busy. These are the winners of the raffle that I did a couple of weeks back for the silver coins, and I've got them here today. I'm going to get in a post office, whether I've got to stand in the queue this afternoon or not. I'm going to get them posted off to you guys today, so really sorry about the delay on that, trying to get that, but you know how busy things are. But yeah, I'm going to get that off to you guys today. And again, once again, congratulations and well done to you guys for winning the raffle. So yeah, today's job, what we got today to do today, we've got to put in some skirting boards. We have got to do a little bit of filling and caulking and stuff like that. We got a small little area to skim inside that little cupboard today as well. We also need to fit the pocket door, so I'll show you that as well. And some door trims and stuff like that. Basically the plan today is to get this house ready for paint. I've got the color from the client today. It's the color is called Jasmine White, which is made by Dulux, I believe. So it's kind of like an off-white. That's what we'll be using on the walls. Oh, we also need to fit some coving today. The customer wants coving in the extension as well, so we need to go pick up some coving and fit that and make sure that's all ready and filled, ready for paint. And Mr. A will be painting that next week while I'm starting on another job. Also, if you have a look on the community post on our page, you will see a drawing of a next project that we'll be doing in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks time start, and it's another garden house. It's the biggest one we would have so far on our channel, and this one has got some cool features. So it's going to have bifold doors on this one. It's going to have cavity walls, so we'll have external block work and we'll have internal block work, which will be insulated inside. We also have a pitch roof on this one, which will be covered in slate, and there will be 2 skylight roof windows, like Velux style roof windows as well. And just like the one that we did recently, it will be split into 2 rooms, 2 separate rooms. One will be like an office, the larger room, and the other side will be like a shed. So yeah, it's a good size. It has planning permission for it, and yeah, so that we'll be doing that very soon as well. So watch out for that project. Very interesting project that should be, and it's going to be K-rendered as well, so similar to the recent ones that we've done as well. Alright, so guys, I'm going to head off now. I'm going to pick up Mr. A, and then I'll catch you guys up on site. So thanks for watching as usual. Let us know what you think of our projects, and speak to you at the end. So take care. See you later. Curtain board is done in here. Mr. A is just caulking that up. We also did door frames there. We've done here, which needs to be skimmed still, and here. Our door is in, kind of, just a little bit to just sort out as far as the handle is concerned. That's basically the door. And yeah, it's working nice. And this side here is drying out nicely from yesterday. I think it was yesterday we did it. We've got our cold in as well. So yeah, good progress today so far. Alright guys, so getting to the end of the day. Well, it is the end of the day. I'm still here. Mr. A just left. Left me on my own. I'm just trying to get this Colby corked up. So this room will be ready for paint for him. Just trying to do that if I've got enough cork left. Oh, good news as well for the channel, let you guys know. Some of you might have noticed by now, I'm not sure. But our channel got featured today on the trending page, YouTube's Creator on the Rise. I've never heard of it, but I was sent an email yesterday by YouTube to say, basically, tomorrow you will be featured on the trending page as the UK's Creator on the Rise, which is apparently sort of a recognition of your channel and the work you've been doing on your channel. And so you guys, if you check on the trending tab, you might see it on there. I think it's on for 24 hours, so if you check sometime today, you should see a couple of our videos at the top of the that trending tab. If you go to explore on your phone or your laptop, I think this is for the UK, so I'm not sure. I don't think it will come up if you're in another country. Every country has their own Creator on the Rise. So UK's one. If you're on the UK YouTube or your location is set to UK, you should see that on your phone. So quite cool. It's nice to be recognized for all the work that I put in with the videos, which, believe me, is not easy. It's not easy. But I enjoy doing it, and we're gonna try to keep it up, And thank you guys for basically helping us to get to that level, really. It's because of you guys who watch our videos and comment and share them and follow the jobs with us. That helps us to gain some momentum on the YouTube. So really appreciate that. Thank you very much. and upwards and beyond. Right guys, looks like my second bottle is finished, so we've got no more cork anyway. I can't do any more today. I'm going to fill up around those lights and around the radiator pipes. I'll do that, and when I pass around tomorrow sometime in the afternoon, hopefully I will do the rest of the corking. So guys, this is as far as I got today, just to show you what we did. We have got all our skirting boards and all that done. We got the coving done last, stayed a bit late to get that done, but as you can see I ran out of cork, so it's not been corked. There's just a few kind of nails that's just semi-holding it in place while the adhesive sets. I got to cork up to here and then I ran out, so I need to get some more. I'll try and do that on Saturday. I'll pop round here on Saturday at some point and do that, so that when Mr. A comes in, he has everything ready to go. Well, basically, yeah, this is the room, and yeah, I think it's come out all right in the end. It's bigger, to be honest, than it feels a lot bigger. I know this is right now on ultra widescreen, so it feels quite long and narrow, but it's a lot bigger than it used to feel before, you know, we closed it up. When the ceilings were really, really high, and when we were really low down before we put the floor on the concrete and raised it up and stuff. It feels like a decent sized room now. It doesn't feel too claustrophobic either, even without the window. As I said, I would have put a window in there, even if it was a you know, non-see-through glass or whatever you call it. I would have had a window there. But you know, it's got the door, it's got the spot. Roof light, and it's well lit with the spotlights. When in here gets painted jasmine white, it will really set off the room and it'll be quite nice and bright and light and so on. I didn't unfortunately get to finish in here, so unfortunately I've got some more work to do here, but we did all this. We've done door frames around here as well. Customer hasn't decided whether there's going to be a door here now or whether it's going to stay open. Probably will end up with a door, I reckon, but at the moment, not sure. And this side here has been done. I'll have to do that coving bit probably tomorrow as well, that last bit. Got one more piece here left to do. But otherwise the wall's drying out nice. And show you our door again. It's our door. And yeah, otherwise it's looking good. So I'm going to shoot off now, guys. You can see right now it is pitch black outside. Sorry, so it's time for me to go home. And I'll see you guys hopefully on the next video. So take care, guys, and thanks for watching.